Today I'm going to show you how to make exercise mat mockup in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your quick selection tool from the toolbar. And click and drag over the mat to select it. Press Ctrl J to cut the mat from its background. Let's name it Mat. Now open your rectangle tool from the toolbar. And click and drag to draw a rectangle. Drag the opacity slider all the way to 30%. Right-click of this shape layer, and convert it to Smart Object. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Right-click, and choose the Distort. Now use these corner handles to distort the shape, and match it to your mats. Press Enter on your keyboard. Double-click on this, and rename it, Place Pattern. Go to Layer. And create Clipping Mask. Now double-click the thumbnail to place your pattern. Just go to the file. Place Embedded. And place your second image. Adjust the size and position. Hit Enter once you're satisfied. Let's go back to the file. And choose Save. And then close the document. Now change the blending mode of this layer from normal to linear burn. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the black slider and drag it to the right. Then press OK. Click on the adjustment layer icon, then create a new solid color. In this color picker, choose white. Name the color fill or top layer, highlights. Let's go back to the layer. And create Clipping Mask. And change the blending mode to Soft Light. I'll decrease the opacity all the way to 18%. Let's zoom the image, and you can see here that this ring has designs, so we can fix or remove it. Let's open your Object Selection tool from the toolbar. Click the Subtract from selection at the top. Open the Mode list, and select Lasso. Now select the background or subject layer. Create a loose selection around the black ring to select it. Go to the Select. And choose Inverse to select the outside. Now with the selection active, select the pattern layer. Then click on the mask icon to remove the extras. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.